guys, in the past couple of videos there, I've just been milling this small bracket the table requires to be able to disengage the power feed system automatically, so that the lead screw doesn't just keep driving itself until it snaps, as the machine should have had these from new, but obviously it's 90-year-old now and the original ones are long gone, so I've had to just fabricate my own, mill my own, but it looks pretty nice. See if it does what it needs to do. So I'll flick the machine on with the power feed driving, so see if it does what it needs to do. There we go, that's disengaged the power feed, so it's worked a treat. Now I just have to make a second one so it'll stop in both left and right travel, so that the table won't just break itself. Alright then guys, this evening I've been working on getting the first of 4 digital vernier scales fitted to the Alfred Herbert vertical milling machine that I've been working on over the past couple of months. I've now got the brackets that come with the kit modified to suit this machine. As you can see there, cut a little tab into the top to marry up with the slot that's on the bottom of the table saddle. I've got a small offcut of one of the provided brackets used to support the scale at this side, as it sticks out slightly further than the front of the knee does. And then that other end of the scale is just drilled and tapped directly into the knee. I've got the computer here with 4 axes readout. We'll power it up. So that's now giving a readout. It's hard to read on the screen, but that is picking up a reading, which I'm pretty pleased with. First one, 3 more to go. Alright then guys, this evening I've been working on getting the second scale, the X-axis, fitted to the Alfred Herbert vertical milling machine that I've been working on over the past couple of months. Managed to get these small brackets fixed to the table itself to hold the scale with a jack and screw there to get it all leveled up, and then the reader head itself is screwed directly into the saddle of the knee. So let's see if I can get a bit of a shot of it moving. See there, reader head stays still, scale moves, and we are getting a readout for both the X and the Y axes. So that's 2 down, 2 to go. Pretty happy with that. Had a bit of a nightmare with a snap tap in one of them holes, but managed to get it out, so I'm happy. Alright then guys, this evening I've been working on getting the third Z-axis scale installed for the vertical travel of the Alfred Herbert vertical milling machine. And I've drilled and tapped directly into the knee, and then mounted this bracket that was provided in the kit to the top of the electrical box, and one bolt through stacked with a couple of washers as spacers to get it lined up in the bottom of the box. So now we have a scale that travels nicely, well, the reader head travels nicely up and down the scale, keeping the correct gap all the way, and we now have 3 of the 4 readouts working. Right then, let's test out this display. Switch on the isolator switch, which turns on both inverters. That's the circuit board where I'm pulling the 12 volt power supply from. And I turn the speed right down to 20 hertz, where I think it actually spins. So that's the slowest speed, or even slower. That's as slow as it can possibly spin without stopping, and it's still doing the same, not showing any numbers, just the center lines of the display.